Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to day one of our extravaganza. I do hope you're enjoying all the tutorials from our lovely design team. I hope you managed to tune in today to see us. As you know, we've launched our new stamps today, so I'm going to have a play with those. So I've got some white multifarious card. I've just cut that down to probably about a 5-inch square. And now I've got my new wreath. And I'm going to ink that up in the Versamark. And then let's just pop that down as central as we can get it. One on one side and one on the other. So we need to leave space in the middle to stamp our lovely new stamp. So that's going to work, I think, just big enough. So now I'm going to use the opaque vanilla white. Just pop that over the top. And let's tap that off. And now let's heat that up. Now it's going to be a little bit difficult to see because it's white on white, but we'll be adding colour over the top and that will really make it stand out. Okay, so it's just starting to melt now. And now we've got a couple of greens I'm going to use. This is the Lime Punch. So picking that up, I'm just going to go over the top, working my way all the way around the edge. Now I'm just building that colour up. And now I'm moving on to the olive. This is quite a dark colour, as you can see, so I'm taking plenty off first and just testing it and build it in very gradually. And because the inks are water-based inks, they'll absorb into the card very quickly. So once it's on, and that's why I say just do a little bit at a time and you have a little bit more control over the amount on the card. The wreath came with a little stamp as well, and this I'm going to use now just to fill in any of the gaps and add a different colour. So this time we're going to use the Twilight. This is the Versafine Clair, and I'm just going to pop a few around like so. Just build it up. And having that different colour just gives a little bit more depth. I just think this is a really pretty stamp. Very, very delicate, very intricate. And that's why the Versafine Clair works so well with it, because it gives you all that lovely detail. Where's my little friend gone? Here he is. I'm going to ink our lovely fairy up in the Nocturne now. So we've created a little spotlight for him. Ink him up carefully. Make sure it's completely covered. And then we're going to stamp him down round about there. Now just put a little bit of pressure on and just let that ink soak into the card. And there we go. I'm going to go back to the Versamark, and this time I'm going to use some mica minerals. Ink up and pop down, and we're just going to work our way around. And then we've got the Mica Minerals Metallic Bronze here, which is one of my favourite colours, and it works perfectly with the green. And I'm just brushing that over the top, and it will stick where I've stamped with the Versamark. I hope you can see that lovely bronze colour. So now we need some words. You can use any verse that you like, you don't have to use the same one as me. And I'm going to ink up, and I'm going to take off, and then just dot about. I want it very much in the background. I don't want to take our eye away from the centre, so we don't want any strong colours going on. Just nice and gentle round the edge. And I'm going to use one of our more bolder words. This is Dream. And what colour shall we use this time? Go with something, we'll go with the Glamorous actually. Let's be a little bit bold. I am going to stamp off first, and then pop that down there, and let's do another one at the top here. So I'm going to finish off with some of our Posca pens now. I've got a nice orange, and all I'm going to do is just dot in and around the wreath to add a little bit more colour again. And I've got a white here. I do love these Posca pens. It just finishes your card off really nice. And with them being opaque, they go straight over the top of any colour. And you can see them quite clearly. Let's put a little bit of glitter on. Maybe we'll go with Fairy Tales. do use this one quite a lot. Funny how you always seem to go to the same colours. All I'm doing now is using the glue pen, and I'm just dotting around the wreath. I only want a little. I don't want to go overboard. And there we go, that's perfect. I hope you can see that under the camera there. That lovely sparkle. And the mica minerals as well. And there we go. Well, thanks for joining me today. You take care and watch out for more demos coming up this week. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye for now.